So what you would need to start on your cordsoles, you're going to need some heavy duty paper to make your template of your feet from it. I'm just using this multi-purpose artist type pad, heavy duty paper. So what you're going to do is take the heavy duty paper and place your bare foot on the paper and trace your foot, the outline of your foot, onto the heavy duty paper. You're also going to need 2 inserts, protective inserts, where you will be putting your template or of the outline of your foot. And you're going to need some invisible tape to tape it down so the template of your foot won't be moving around in the insert. You're also going to need some jute cord for your soles. You would need the sole of the jute pretty thick. I think this may be about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Or you can use twine, but it has to be a sort of thick in order to, I don't know if you can see that, but that's about 3 or 4 millimeters thick. You're also going to need some caulk, all-purpose acrylic latex caulk. It's all-purpose, and I use the brand DAP. And you're going to need a caulk gun. I got all this at Walmart. You're going to need some 100% cotton yarn. And what you're going to do with this is once you finish your jute, your jute sole, you're going to go back through with your yarn to whatever color you want to design your jute, whatever color you want to make it. You will buy that color yarn. You also need a crochet hook, about 5 to 5.5 millimeters. Also get the metal or aluminum type hook. Do not use the plastic, but get the aluminum or the metal. You will need some gloves, messing with the caulk. You're going to need scrape pins and a type of scraper, plastic scraper of any type of plastic can, like a Pringles can. Also make the edge of the scraper, cut it at an angle so you can scrape the silicone pretty well. You're going to need that pencil to draw your outline of your foot. You're going to need scissors, and you're going to need some type of protective surface. I just got a white cardboard paper to work my project on. So guys, that's about it. I will come back to let you know how the project is going and what I'm doing next. Alright guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.